Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to check your battery levels on your Apple Watch. Now if you want to check the battery levels on your Apple Watch but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply make sure to watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started now. If you want to check the battery on an Apple Watch, then make sure that your Apple Watch is turned on, and after that, as you can see, the Apple Watch is being charged. You'll see on like this. So click on the button at the very top right or the bottom right where you have kept, so click on it. Now you need to enter the password for your Apple Watch. If you have kept the password, enter the password. So if you have not kept, then you need to simply click on the button and the Apple Watch will be opened. So I have kept the password. So after entering, you need to click on the button at the very top right because I have kept it here. So from here you may think that by going on settings you will be able to see the battery level on like this, but that's not how you can do it. You need to simply click on the button which is below the circle like button. Right here you will see the button. So as you can see, if you are able to see or not, so this is the button, you need to click on it. So I'll simply click on it and it takes you to the Wi-Fi, airlines, airplane mode and battery like icon. So currently as you can see that the battery level on my Apple Watch is 48%. So you may also click on the option of edit like this and you may add more settings icon like this. So if you click on it, you'll see the battery percentage level like this. Now if you want to enable the low power mode, click on it. So you may click on the option of turn on, and this is how you can check the battery level on your Apple Watch. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.